Welcome back to Pete Invests. Today we will explore the lazy person's ultimate guide to building real wealth over time. You do not ever need to work 80 hours a week or stress over every single stock market daily movement. True wealth building is surprisingly simple. In fact, being lazy might actually be your single greatest advantage in the markets. Most people think getting rich requires endless hustle, but smart investors know that patience and automation beat constant daily action. Let us begin with the most important rule of lazy wealth building. You must pay yourself first every single month. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account the exact moment your paycheck finally clears. By simply automating your savings, you completely remove the temptation to spend the money and you never have to remember. This effortless habit guarantees you are consistently building your capital without making any ongoing daily decisions or feeling unnecessarily stressed. Next, we really need to talk about where you put that money. Lazy investors avoid picking individual stocks at all. Trying to find the next big tech company is exhausting, highly risky, and rarely ever works out for average people. Instead, the lazy path relies heavily on broad market index funds and exchange-traded funds for consistent, long-term growth. An index fund allows you to own a tiny piece of thousands of successful global companies with one single purchase. When you just buy the entire market, you never have to read earnings reports or watch chaotic daily financial news. Over decades, the stock market has consistently gone up, and index funds let you capture that growth completely, entirely passively. Your money works tirelessly in the background while you focus on your family, your hobbies, or simply relaxing peacefully at home. Another incredibly critical step for the lazy investor is taking full advantage of free money offered by your current employer. If your company offers a standard matching program, you must contribute enough to get that full match without any hesitation. That employer match is literally free money added directly to your net worth, offering an immediate 100% return. There is literally no other investment in the entire world that gives you a guaranteed return like a company match. Once the money is securely invested in your retirement accounts, the next lazy secret is the immense power of compounding. Compound interest happens when the money your investments earn naturally starts earning its own extra money over long time periods. In the beginning, the portfolio growth feels very slow, but after a decade, the compounding effect becomes an unstoppable force. The single most crucial ingredient for compound interest is time, which perfectly means the sooner you start, the better off. Time spent in the market will always beat trying to time the market, especially for those who want zero stress. Let the underlying math do the heavy lifting for you while you sit back and happily watch your account multiply. Now, being truly lazy with your investments only works if you keep your lifestyle inflation completely under control over time. When you finally get a nice raise at work, do not immediately buy a newer car or rent bigger apartments. Instead, simply funnel a large portion of that new income directly into your automated investments to accelerate your financial freedom. You can absolutely still enjoy your life, but avoiding unnecessary luxury upgrades ensures your money stays focused on creating wealth. A major dangerous trap for active investors is reacting to severe market crashes by selling off their assets in panic. The truly lazy investor ignores stock market crashes entirely, knowing that temporary downturns are normal and the market always recovers. In fact, the absolute best possible thing you can do during a market correction is absolutely nothing at all, forever. Just proudly let your automated investments continue to buy cheaper shares at lower prices while everyone else loses their minds. Another fantastic passive wealth strategy is ensuring all of your stock dividends are set to automatically reinvest into your portfolio. Dividends are cash payments companies send you just for owning their stock, and reinvesting them supercharges your compound interest massively. Without ever clicking a single manual button, your portfolio will quickly buy more shares, which then produce even more dividends. It is a beautiful, highly profitable cycle of passive income generation that requires absolutely zero daily oversight or manual effort. Consumer debt is the ultimate enemy of the lazy investor, especially high-interest debt like expensive credit cards and loans. If you consistently carry credit card balances, the interest payments will constantly drain your wealth and ruin your investment returns. Please pay off any high-interest personal debt as fast as humanly possible before you fully commit to lazy investing. Once the terrible bad debt is entirely gone, you can direct all your extra cash flow straight into passive investments. Many ordinary people think they desperately need a complicated financial advisor, but the lazy method proves that simplicity is better. Expensive financial advisors often charge high management fees that heavily eat into your profits, even when they fail to deliver. A wonderfully simple portfolio of 2 or 3 low-cost index funds will solidly outperform most expensive professionals over decades. You easily save thousands of dollars in unnecessary fees while safely maintaining complete control of your overall financial destiny forever. Dedicated emergency funds are also absolutely vital because they protect your investments from being sold when unexpected life expenses appear. Always keep 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses safely parked in a high-yield savings account for emergencies. This reliable cash cushion comfortably ensures you never have to interrupt your compound interest journey to pay for unexpected repairs. Real estate can also potentially be a lazy investment if you choose passive options like real estate investment trusts instead. Buying physical rental properties constantly requires fixing broken toilets and dealing with angry tenants, which is the opposite of lazy. A public real estate investment trust easily lets you earn passive property income through the stock market without any hammers. This effortlessly keeps your growing portfolio highly diversified across different asset classes while strictly maintaining your entirely hands-off approach. As your total net worth steadily grows, you might slowly feel the sudden urge to try more complex investment strategies. Please strongly resist the major temptation to gamble on flashy cryptocurrency or day trading just because your close friends brag. Consistently boring investing is truly profitable investing, and chasing excitement in the financial markets usually leads to losing your money. Always stick safely to your automated index fund strategy and gladly find your thrills and excitement outside of your investments. Quiet consistency is the true powerful engine that constantly drives the lazy person's wealth-building journey toward absolute financial freedom. You absolutely do not have to be a financial genius or have a massive salary to become a millionaire eventually. You really just need to carefully create a remarkably simple plan, completely automate the process, and then get away fast. Just calmly think of your ongoing investments like planting a tiny seed in the ground. You cannot rush natural growth. Lightly water it consistently through your simple automated deposits and happily let the bright sun and time do the rest. Constantly digging up the little seed to anxiously check on its daily progress will only kill the tree and returns. The modern, highly complex financial world is purposefully designed to make you overthink and constantly trade, generating huge Wall Street fees. By fully embracing the truly lazy approach, you are effectively and smartly rebelling against a system that wants active trading. Every single time you bravely choose not to check your portfolio, you are taking a massive step toward long-term success. Let us now quickly recap the essential core principles of the incredibly simple and effective Lazy Person's Guide to Wealth. Number 1. Totally automate your finances so a strict portion of every paycheck is immediately invested before you spend anything. Number 2. Strongly avoid individual stocks entirely and put your money straight into low-cost, highly diversified, broad index funds. Number 3. Immediately take full advantage of any matching retirement funds your employer offers because it is absolutely free money. Number 4, aggressively eliminate all high-interest consumer debt quickly so your hard-earned money can actually work for you. Number 5, intentionally build a solid cash emergency fund to securely protect your growing investment portfolio from unexpected life events. Number 6, purposefully keep your lifestyle expenses relatively low even when your personal steady income and total net worth increase. Number 7, completely ignore the noisy daily financial news and deeply commit to holding your index funds through every crash. Finally, number 8, clearly recognize that long-term patience is the ultimate superpower when you are letting compound interest work. Getting truly rich absolutely does not have to be a stressful, exhausting marathon filled with endless daily anxiety and risks. By smartly doing significantly less, you very often achieve much more, easily securing your bright future while enjoying your present. Thank you very much for watching this entire video and taking the precious time to learn about stress-free investing. If you really found this simple, lazy guide extremely helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for financial wisdom. Please remember to quickly set up those crucial automated transfers today and then immediately get back to doing whatever you love. This has been another episode of Pete Invests, gently reminding you that true lasting wealth is having the time to relax.